Hello everyone. So it's currently 6 a.m. and it's not because I woke up early, it's because I actually was doing this the whole night and I wasted like over $100 in credits on Claude. And yeah, but this is a crazy app. Like, I don't know why I had the motivation and the vision to do this. It was actually inspired by Odysseus, which was a project that was made by PewDiePie, but I wanted to mainly focus on making it completely free. Now I know PewDiePie is also free, but it has too many connectors. So if it's a smaller model, it can really like crash it. So yeah, I will show you how to use it and how it works very quickly. I'll probably just hop into OBS and record it on the screen and explain to you what this project is. And I believe it can actually be useful in real life. Okay, so OBS didn't work for some reason, so fuck it, I'll just do it like this. So what it does is it's basically an AI assistant that you connect through Grok. So it's actually very simple. You just go to Grok, register, and get your API key, and then you simply put the key right here. Now I do this because my T480 can't run like models very well. You can use great models on this because you can use something like GPT OSS 120 billion parameters. Now I asked ChatGPT to give me some commands to test out. So I'll just show you while testing out these commands because I haven't actually done many tests myself. So it's basically an AI assistant for your life. So I'll just say, I feel scattered this week. Help me choose 3 realistic priorities. What are the main areas you'd like to focus on this week? Save the useful parts to notes. And it basically takes notes on the weekly focus, etc. Yeah, I mean, if you had a normal conversation, it would make sense. Then you can say like create a project called personal reset and the AI will actually go ahead and do it. So there's the project and yeah, it actually attached the node that is called weekly focus to the project. So yeah, then what else works on this is you can ask it to remember things like remember that I prefer short plans and exercising after 6 a.m. So it can actually just go ahead and do that as well. And yeah, it put it inside of its like assistant context, which like this part of the app is basically the brain of the AI. Like it has notes and you can actually change them and it changes how the AI thinks about you. So it takes like personal notes about you. Then like create a 20-minute workout habit every morning, Wednesday, and yeah, I didn't see the last one. And you just ask it to do it and it will just simply do it. Here's the habit. And as see, it's on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you can basically check off like your daily habits right here. And yeah, also it has a calendar built in. So you can ask it to schedule things. I can test that as well right here. Schedule a weekly review this Sunday at 7 p.m. for 30 minutes. So we'll go to chat. We'll ask it to do that. And inside the calendar on, when is it? On Sunday? Next Sunday? Wait, it did it on Friday. I guess I found a mistake. Schedule a weekly review this Sunday at 7 p.m. and it did it on Friday. Okay, so there are definitely issues. Yeah, well, I probably need help with this and I want to go to sleep, so if you're watching this, it's probably going to be fixed. Wait, what should I focus on today based on my habits, calendar projects, and what you know about me? Do a 20-minute workout after 6 p.m. as you prefer exercising later. Spend, like, it basically learns things about you, like, right? Move the weekly review to 8 p.m. Wait, that's actually interesting. So did it on Friday. Let's see if it will fix itself. Move the weekly review to 8 p.m. I can't change the event for you, but you can edit the entry your calendar. Now the AI fucked up again, so I guess I'm finding mistakes that I should fix. Or maybe it's because I actually built it on Llama 70B. Let's actually try this again with the 70B model. So it doesn't actually have the hand to do the edit. I'll actually try this one, schedule on Sunday with the Llama model. Oh, so, okay, I recommend using the Llama 3.370p because it doesn't make mistakes like that. Let's actually say undo that. Let's see if it can actually delete stuff. And it deleted the event on Sunday. So yeah. Now also I should mention you can also do all the things manually. So this can also work without the AI itself, but there's an AI that can basically do all the stuff. So yeah, if you want to try this project that I built, yeah, I'll just leave the link below. And yeah, I really want to go to sleep.